Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to delete your Amazon.com account. To delete your Amazon.com account, first of all, open up a web browser and then type in Amazon.com in the URL box. After you go to the official website of Amazon, make sure that you're signed into your account as well. Now, go ahead and mouse over to the Accounts and Lists option and click on Account option under your account. Under your account, scroll all the way down and under Manage Your Data, click on Close Your Amazon account. Now, read these information carefully. If you proceed with your closing request, then you will not be able to access the products and services associated with your closed account, which will include all of these services at the bottom. After you are sure you'd like to delete your account, go ahead and select the main reason for your account closure. Choose from the drop-down and then click on Yes, I want to delete my account, or this little box at the bottom. Finally, click on Close My Account and follow through the instructions and you will be able to delete your Amazon account right away. So that is how you can easily delete or close your Amazon account in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.